Okay, here is the Samsung 10,200 BTU window air conditioner that someone I know found in the trash, and I traded something for it because he couldn't use it and power cord is broken off. But anyways, as you can see, the front cover is not here. It's missing. I don't know if it probably makes a little difference with the front cover, airflow wise, and probably recirculates a lot of it like this, a lot of the air that comes out, because it's coming actually downwards. But anyways, I have my temperature probe hooked up to it, and in a second I'll fire this up, but I just want to point a few things out. Okay, it has a Zhejiang Jamino or something like that motor, fan motor in it. Some Chinese junk probably, but it's got a Samsung compressor. Yeah, I'm not sure if this meter's not really right. But anyways, has a curved condenser coil. It's kind of rounded off. Just had this run a few seconds ago, so any noises you hear is probably Freon or something going, circulating back through there. Okay, so let's fire this thing up and see how it runs. I'll put it over here so you hear the compressor. It's cooling. And of course, since I just had it run, the whole thing's already cold. The lowest temp I got out here, because it's like 90 degrees out here, is 74, 73. Ooh, my meter's getting a little sunburnt here. $75 degrees is the lowest I've gotten out so far. 73 actually. It's cooling good though. I mean, it's. I was also mentioning to a YouTube user how he has the same one, same exact one, I believe. Fan speeds don't seem to make much difference to me. This is on F2, I think. That's F3, F1, F2, F3. Just not that noticeable difference. I mean, airflow or sound. So I just usually, I mean, it is a little less airflow, but not a whole lot. I'll just usually keep it at like F2 or something. Yeah, I don't know why they threw this out, because it's working pretty good. It's sweating, condensating. It's throwing out a ton of heat at the back since it's It's 90 degrees out here. It's cooling nothing. Very quiet for being 10,000. 200 BTUs. Very cold too I mean, not very cold, but to me, if it's putting out 74 degrees when it's 90 outside, it's working pretty good. This whole thing is just cold. Get my infrared thermometer real quick. It's over here. Well, maybe not. I guess I don't have it right now, guys. It's putting out pretty cold air. Even though it's only 74. If I had this inside, it was normal. Temperature and humidity, it'd be real cold. I mean, there's the door. It's kind of windy out here today. So now it's just the fan. Warming up. Alright. Well, that's the video. Not too interesting, but just thought I'd let everyone know I found this unit. Wish it were in better shape. I could get a few bucks out of it, but if I tried to sell it. But we'll see what I do with it. Alright. Out.